Hey, I've got these Kinglucky open earbuds. These are a 40-hour playtime with the Smart Touch. They did send these to me. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. Sort of side reason that I really like these is because if you're somebody that loses earbuds, and believe me, there's a whole part of our society that loses earbuds. Painful to have to replace those. This, not so much. This is a great value. Everything is controlled by just touching the back of these earbuds. I can turn the volume up, I can turn the volume down. I can pick up calls, I can hang up calls as well. Everything is hands-free. Okay, these are gonna stay in your ears. They're very comfortable. Look, I can jump up and down. They're not going to come out of your ear. And that's kind of the whole point of these, is they're for active, right? I'm running, I'm jumping, I'm working out, I'm kicking the soccer ball around, you know, whatever you're doing, you're walking around the amusement park, doesn't matter where you're at, what you're doing. If you're active, you're gonna be able to wear these and they're gonna go ahead and they're gonna stay in your ear and they're not gonna fall out. Not only do these look great, but it's just an overall great value. You're getting all the bells and whistles that you would expect on a pair of these. Super long battery life, nice little case here. To me, it's a no-brainer, so I would have no problem recommending these. I think they're a great little pair of earbuds. These are gonna make a great gift. If not a gift, pick them up for yourself. And as always, that is my quick review, and thanks for watching.